You are going to love the 2008 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter engine, and comes with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, bed liner, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, fog lights, running boards, dual exhaust, wheel covers. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, reclining seats, cloth upholstery, dual airbags, tilt steering wheel, vanity mirrors. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.